Now that we have that knob up and this is pretty much free, so we're gonna remove this part, work it from the bottom and pull up towards you. And right here, press and then pull out. We want to come over here to the shifter, press that, and then press down on it and then move it back. We have room now to remove the whole center trim panel. Now that part is out, the module is clearly in sight. This is the module right here, this metal box. We can't reach the back from here because of this air vent right over here. So we're going to go around to the side through the back to get to the bolts in the back. When you take out the module, the battery connection is disconnected from the car. There's no power going into the car. Over on the driver's side, we want to remove this plastic panel right here. Now we're looking at the module from the top again. We're going to unplug it, press down on that, and out. Let's press down. This is what the airbag module looks like on a Camry 2018.